You ever notice how some people walk into a room and instantly command respect? They're not loud. They're not showing off. They barely even talk. So what's their secret? Because trust me, it's not confidence the way you think. I used to feel invisible. People would interrupt me, ignore my opinions, talk over me, and the worst part? I thought I just wasn't that type of person. But then I changed 5 small habits. Not my personality, not my style. Just 5 simple behaviors. And everything changed. People started listening. They asked for my opinion. They treated me differently. Here are those 5 habits, from simple to powerful. Number 1. Fix your posture. Your body speaks before your mouth does. Stand straight. Shoulders relaxed but back. Chin level. Not stiff, not arrogant, just grounded. When you look like you belong in the room, people assume you do. Number 2. Slow down. Respected people don't rush. They walk calmly. They speak clearly. They pause before responding. When you slow down, you look in control. And control equals confidence. In a world that moves fast, calm stands out. Number 3. Hold eye contact. This one changes everything. When speaking, hold eye contact for a few seconds at a time. Then naturally look away. Not staring, not intimidating, just steady. It silently says, I'm comfortable, I'm present, I'm not afraid. Number 4. Listen more than you talk. Most people listen just to reply. Instead, listen to understand. Nod. Ask questions. Let them finish. When you make someone feel heard, they automatically respect you more. Number 5. Master silence. This is the strongest one. When there's drama, arguments, or chaos, don't compete. Stay calm. Observe. And when you finally speak, keep it short, clear, intentional. Silence makes your words heavier. But here's the real truth. These aren't tricks. They work because they come from self-respect. When you respect yourself, your posture, your time, your words, other people feel it. So here's your challenge. Pick one habit. Practice it for a week. You won't need to demand respect. You'll naturally earn it.